custard. Can't ever wonder what happened to my companions. Are they lost and are they found? Have they counted the cost it will take to bring down all the earthly principles? Gonna have to abandon. And there's a slow train coming up and round the bend. I had a woman down in Alabama. She was a backwoods girl, but she was realistic. She said, boy, without a doubt, have to quit your mess and straighten out. You could die down here, be just another accident statistic. And then a slow train coming up and around the bend. All that foreign oil controlling American soil. Look around you, just bound to make you embarrassed. Shank walking around like kings, wearing fancy jewels and rose rings, deciding America's future from Amsterdam into Paris. And there's a slow train coming up around the bend. These rules are outdated. They don't apply no more. You can't rely no more. Just standing around and waiting in the home of a brave Jefferson turning over in his grave. Fools go find themselves trying to